Welcome back to another G Auto Repair YouTube video, and today we are working with this 2003 Dodge Ram 5.9 liter, an oldie but a goodie. And what happened here is I had to replace the PCM because of a random shutting off whenever it would heat up or whatnot. But anyways, what this video is about is a flashing ABS light. And what happened is after I replaced the PCM, I started experiencing that, which wasn't doing that with the old PCM. So after doing some research, I found that that tends to happen because it wipes out what is called a Pinion Factor. It's supposed to be in the ABS module, so what does one have to do with the other? I don't know. But when you replace the PCM, it tends to wipe that out sometimes, and you have that annoying flashing ABS light. I'm gonna show it to you right now. It runs, it drives fine, but you get this little flashing light, the ABS flashing light. So the code that is setting is code 83. I'm gonna show you guys, or try to anyways. As you can see here, I got code 83. Let's do something about this glare. Oh boy. Yeah, these Altels and their glare, man. There's some scan tools that don't have that. This is just horrible. Anyways, code 83, tire revolutions per minute out of range. So that's the weird code. Sometimes it's a company with another code, from what I understand. I forgot what other code, but this is the only code I'm getting there, and it's stored. It's not even active, which is what was throwing me off. But apparently you have to come in after the fact and set those parameters, because they get wiped out. Now, unfortunately, my Altel is not capable of doing that, so I drove myself crazy trying to find it in different other modules and whatnot, and I couldn't find it. So I found out that the Altel just doesn't do it. So I'm gonna have to go to a neighbor who has different scan tools and try to set that Pinion Factor to get rid of that flashing ABS light. So I'm not gonna record none of that because I'm gonna be in somebody else's property, and I don't want to be filming other people's junk. So I'm gonna respect other people's privacy and whatnot. So so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna come back, and obviously I'll let you know if that worked or not. So stay tuned. Okay, we are back with the Dodge, and like I said, I went to a friend's real quick, and he was able to let me borrow his scan tool. We used the Matco what is it called, maximizer, or I forget the name of it, but anyways, it was a Matco scan tool, and we were able to program the or set the Pinion Factor. So there it is. No more flashing ABS. No more flashing ABS light. So I know I didn't record all that. Again, I was somewhere else. I don't want to be recording somebody else's stuff. So but just to give you an idea, you go to the ABS module. You go under special functions, and there's gonna be a tab there that says set Pinion Factor, and then you just gotta program the tire size and the axle, which is a 9.25 on this vehicle, and it sets that, and boom, immediately the light stops flashing. So I hope this helps somebody out there that just changed the PCM and is having all type of flashy ABS lights. So if you enjoyed the content of this video, please like and subscribe. Please help us reach 10K here soon, and set the notifications so you get reminders on when we're doing videos like this. We're going to be doing more live stuff, so probably later on in this week we'll be doing some live stuff. So we'll catch you guys on the next video. Ciao for now.